going on? So this is for the week of the 4th. Let's go. Specifically on the week of the 4th, not Monday or Tuesday, but Wednesday the 5th. I'm skipping Monday because Monday was like 3 to 4 hours. It's a short day because, you know, there was the 3rd and the 4th was Tuesday. There was things that you could have caught, but I'm never trading Mondays the day before the 4th. So, well, I won't say I'll never, but as of now, I'm not really trying to trade that, so I'm not thinking about it. Alright, but let's go. Let's get into it. So on the daily, we broke here, right? Which would mean that at some point you would have expected us to come in somewhere in between here and sell it off. As we can see, we broke it, tapped it, did that, and then we came back up. So we got a high and a low and a new high. This high broke this, but it's relatively not new in a sense because it didn't break this high. But in this leg here, for now, high, low, and then a new high. So if this high here breaks this low, you could then, well, not this low. I like to play it safe and take this wick here. So if we can break this wick, this is on the daily. Break this wick and it pulls back up here somewhere, anywhere in here. You can take that sell, well, not anywhere, but you know, find your order block up in here and sell it to here. And let's just say you caught it from here. That's 933, 936 to 32. Yeah, that's over 1,000 points. But that's on the daily. I honestly would like it to come all the way back down here, you know. But we'll see. And then we've got H4, and I like to do this just to start the week off, just to get an idea. So that's why I'm doing this now. Because typically I jump straight to like the 1 hour to 15 minute chart. Yeah, H4 is kind of the same. This is like a daily zone, but it's technically done because it's in that area already. I'm gonna just move it there. That shouldn't even matter no more at this point because we've already tapped it and reacted. And yeah, and with the same thing with H4. You know, we can break here, come back up, take it down here. Let's just say you caught it here, 34, 121 to 32. That's a lot. 32.9. That's a lot. H1. We're in this leg from here to here, and we are up in here. This broke this, but to me it's too much funny business down there, so I will be waiting for it to break this, and then which is most likely the same. Let's double check it. I think this is the same wick, probably on H4. Yeah, same one. All right, let's go. Let's delete that. That trade was crazy. I told myself not to take it. Just watch it, and it went ahead. Hit my full TP. That hit the full TP, but whatever. Let's get to it. For realsies. So this is Tuesday the 4th, huh? Alright, let's play this out to get it. Let me go 10x real fast. Still on 4. Alright, so did we make it? Okay. Yeah, okay, perfect. What time is this? 7. Oh, perfect. 7:30. Okay, so this is US30 at 7:30. Now let's see if we can catch my setups. So, as far as this goes, we broke here. And I would have wanted it to come back up, like break this, come back up, and retest sell. Instead, broke it and just kept going. Next option is here, which we haven't done yet. Let's just see if we can get a break. Break that and come back up for a retest. So we'll have to see, but you could potentially catch something off that. Nothing on 5 that I'm looking for. I get nothing on M1. Alright, but we're gonna stay on my favorite M1. Oh wait, did we do something right here? Nothing yet? Okay. Alright. Let's go back to it. Alright, so M1, we're like really here to here. We're in this leg. So you're just trying to see which direction you're gonna go. Which kind of tells you, that'll literally tell you where to target. But I just wait for my setup. Nothing's going on right now. Let me check. 1-5. Nothing. Okay, we got. So we did get that break. And so, you know, you could try to do like this here, you know, and just ride it out. That break all the way down to here. So you could try for something like that. You know, definitely don't need that. But, you know, 13 point stop. 20. But you're going for 113. No, I said about right there. 105. That's still pretty good. Alright, so let's see if you can get this retest. I'm not taking this trade. This isn't something I would take, but this is something you could do. Okay, look at that. It played you. Oh, yeah. Alright, so that's over with. What it might be doing is trying to target something in a harder time frame. Okay. Man, I missed my chance, you guys. Oh, nope, that's 8:30, so I wouldn't take that anyway. Okay. Alright, so on M15, we got one of my variants of type 1 right there. Bam. This actually is an entry, but instead, I would give it that. So it broke there, and we retested twice and took off. But then we broke this, but we haven't broke any of this. If we can break some of that, you know, then we might be on like Donkey Kong. Then we might be on like Donkey Kong. Yeah, and it's crazy too, because I like the type 1s the best, but my minis have we're in the seasons of the type 1 minis. They just been coming. Broke here, but I would like for it to come all the way back down. You could tap in this area, which it barely missed, but it's coming back. There you go. So, you know, sometimes I found that it's kind of great to chart your liquidity as well. Let's get that. It just kind of helps you find stuff to target or make stuff. It kind of helps things make sense. And so we crossed that S, and you can assume that it's basically been swept. Liquidity at that point has been swept. Let's see. We did break this, but we tapped this thing. So I'm kind of no. We'll see though. We'll see. It's definitely got some liquidity. Okay. So this was took. That got took. Yeah, they swept the liquidity. It's taken care of. Coming back. Okay, here we go again. Here we go again. Type 1, right? We broke that. Okay, let's see though. I mean, I might not take this. We gotta see the lineup, because that's just the first phrase. Okay, we did break this, But we did not break this. That's where it gets interesting. We didn't break that. Let's just see how it reacts. Alright, so it did break it. Okay. So now we've got a legit move. Anything else? I mean, that's all liquidity. You could definitely try to target that. Alright, so let's just see. Can we get a reaction? I mean, this is technically broke. We broke here and came back. So this zone is actually no good. I don't know why I drew sales. That was supposed to be buys. But we'll see. Oh wow, it's looking like it doesn't want to come back to us. It's just breaking and running up. This play is still okay. Maybe now it's not. And the reason why I'm saying that, well, you would have a whole lot more to talk. Yeah, this play is not, and that's not the move anymore. Let's just move it over there, because we've got, price is just rising. And one thing I've learned is that after so long, you literally have to let it go. You just have to. It's like if it comes from here down here, there's a good chance that we might blow past this and then come in here and probably blow through that, because it's already been mitigated in a sense. But we'll see. I like this 30. No, we're not doing 30 for 30. That's a big one. All right. But I'm honestly, yeah, I'm looking at something like that. Let's see if we can get. Oh, okay. Yeah, well, that's perfect. So that just makes what I said even more valid. Let's go. Come on down, though. I just need you to come. No. Well, you're giving us more to target, but still. This sometimes is the hardest part. At this point, it's been like basically 3 hours and I haven't done nothing. It's coming. All right. So we are in here. Let's go. Let's see what we got. We got a stop loss of 25. Yeah. Oh, this is definitely finna take it out potentially. Stop loss is really down there. Man, it's trying to take it out. It's trying. Yep. All right, this one failed. So that's one. Wait. Reason why I said wait is because remember this was only 22, and so I would have still been holding it to about right there. But nope, it definitely took it out. All right, so we gotta mark that up. We waited all day to take an L. It's okay though. These are lessons learned. Loss. So that's a 25-point loss. Negative 25. Negative 25 points. Now let's see. We still got this, but we're not taking that either because we wanted to monitor it. We didn't get the okay. Now, if this, we'll see. We might take this. We're just gonna be out of the buying area, my little demand zone. All right. So we broke above. Okay, now I'm in. The reason why this was the area, we got this candle. So we broke out that demand zone, and then we got a candle that opened up above it. So from here, we are in. This isn't exactly where we wanted it, but that's fine, and we targeting this. But remember, we will have stops along the way. Oh my goodness. All right, so we're still good. That's 25. Okay, that's 2 L's. 2 L's. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I didn't lose. I lost something similar this day, but not in this exact format. right, and so now we just wait. Oh man. Oh, it didn't break nothing else just yet. Did not break anything just yet. M15, let's see. Nothing. Okay. The last hope is, I really wish I was paying. Well, I mean I was, but 815, yeah, that would have been too close for me. So we can't use that at all. Let's the H1 real quick too. I forgot. Okay. All right. Let's see if it comes back up again. I'll take it. I'll take a shot one more time. I'll take a chance one more time. But it's got to do. I doubt it though, cause look at this. Came, broke here, selling here, back, sales. I'm sorry. Sales will actually be about right there. Let's see. Tapped. We tapped in. Okay. Come on. All right. All right. All right. So technically we up. We up a little bit. Stop loss is here though. Wait. So let's see. SL 6 for 25. So technically it hit TP. So we said 25. So let's bring it down. We're not giving up too much. Now if it hit that, we out. But if not, we're just gonna hold it to see if we can sell further down. So let's see. All right. Now as we can see, we got wicked out. Well, it actually just took us out. But there you go. Let me mark this trade. All right. So we got 1 W. Now technically, we are done. What was that? About right there. Because we took 20. All right. Okay. Okay. So we got 1 win. Now, like I said, three trades is usually the max. And so we would be 1 for 3 today. 20. So we down. We went from -50 to -30 on the day. But let's just see. If something sexy comes our way, then we might just stay. And it came, tapped it again, and went right back down. Interesting. Sometimes you will lose from setting stop losses, but I would just rather walk away with something than to be trying to hold it like I'm the big bad wolf and lose, you know? That's what I'm dealing with right now. Oh my goodness. Almost. Which one real quick? Okay. So sometimes I lose, I leave money on the table, but I'd rather leave money on the table and win than to not leave money and lose, you know? Can't get greedy in this game. But we're 1 for 3 so far. Alright. At this point, yeah, I'm expecting it to definitely blow past it, which it did. It's going up. We're buying up. At least to here. But then again, yeah, okay, see? It came up. It sold off. Again. And now we're back. Whew, look at that. Let's just see if we did hold it up to there. Is that 25? Yeah, that's 25. That's right, right to the T. But it kept going. It done kept going. I don't know why I got that still out there. It's basically there. Look at that. And the trade, you know, if you were paying attention, you got a break of this wick here, right here. Sales was anywhere in this area if you wanted it, anywhere. But I ain't taking it. but that's just how, you know, how things sometimes come about. I like my setups to look a certain way. It's all. So we came all the way down here. That's crazy. Broke that. Okay. And we're almost out of time. You know. I mean, no, I'm not taking that. I mean, it's okay though. You know, sometimes it is what it is. Okay, that's M5. And we are done. Why? Because 2 minute mark. 2 p.m. mark. Once it says 14, I'm done. I don't trade after 2. It's my cutoff. I've noticed that if I were to lose a trade, it would be after 2. Like my setup, if my setup was to just not work, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock is the day. 2 o'clock is the time. But there you have it. So technically, I would have caught. Nope, we actually would have missed that because it broke. Bam. Okay. I think on the higher time frame, this one did hit. Where was it at? Where was it at? No, it's not there. Was it M15? I thought it hit somewhere. Huh. Oh, this one. Yeah. Let's go back and check that on M1 real quick. But I mean, that's it. Yeah. So it broke on M15, and then same thing with M5. Let me see. We got a break. Yeah. I would have gotten this if I was paying attention, but. Oh wait, no, I wouldn't. That was around 8:30. Yeah, that would have been one of them where I'm crying because it happened right around the time the market opened, so I would have been too scared and not got in. But there you have it. This was a L's day in real life and back trading. We went 1 for 3, negative 30 points.